Hello students, after long vacation we are meeting through this video. You are congratulated that you have been passed BA second year and appeared in BA final. Now you are in 5th semester. In today's video we are discussing about the syllabus of 5th semester English literature. We have 100 marks paper and these 100 marks are divided into two modes. First is theory paper, it is for 80 marks and 20 marks are for internal assessment. For this theory and internal assessment, some books are prescribed in this 5th semester. These books are as the first book is The Merchant of Venice. It is a famous comedy written by the world famous dramatist William Shakespeare. Second, Old Stone Mansion. It is a play written by Mahesh L. Kunchwar. This play first was written in Marathi language with the title Vada Chirebandi, and then it is translated into English with the title Old Stone Mansion. I have already given audio and video clip of both the dramas Merchant of Venice and Old Stone Mansion. I hope you have listened and enjoyed that videos. Third book is A Background to the Study of English Literature. Already you have studied a background in your previous years with the poetry and prose sections. In the final year, we have a portion of drama in the background. Then the last book, A Handbook of Literary Terms. Also you have experienced about literary terms in your previous syllabus. And in this year also some literary terms we have to study. So, the first book, The Merchant of Venice, which is written by William Shakespeare, it is very famous comedy, and for this book we have 30 marks. There will be two long answer questions. First long answer question on its a theme or subject. Another long answer question will be based on characters in this drama, and 10 marks are for annotations, that is reference to context, is equal to 30 marks. Another play is Old Stone Mansion. One long answer question will be there on this play and two short answer questions for 10 marks. In this way 20 marks are there for Old Stone Mansion. Third book is A Background to the Study of English Literature. We have 4 portions through this book, that is origin of English drama, what is in my English theatre, drama and novel, dramatic types. These are the portions, and for that there will be one long answer question for 10 mark, one short answer question for 5 mark, and 5 very short answer question for 10 marks is equal to 25 marks on background. And about the literary terms, we are already aware about it, that 8 literary terms are there in our syllabus. We have to study all these 8 terms All these 8 literary terms will be there in the exam paper. We have to solve only 5. It is for 5 marks. Which are that literary terms? These literary terms are as surprise, suspense, subplot, anti-hero, intrigue, catharsis, three nuities, and hamartia. So far as this is what the syllabus of 80 marks for theory paper. For internal assessment, we have to submit 2 assignments on the given topic. This topic will be based on your theory paper syllabus. Each topic, each assignment carry 10 marks each, and in this way there will be a 20 marks for internal assessment. I hope that you have seen the videos of Merchant of Venice and Old Stone Mansion, which I have already sent to you. We will discuss on the background origin of English drama in the next video. Till then, thank you.